Yo guys, welcome back to another short and sweet episode. In this episode we're going to do some baking. So we've got the oven going at about 175 degrees and there's a little casing in there. Here's the bearing, it's just chilling. So I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to show you how you should just be able to drop it in. Okay, so it's just come out, piping hot as you can see, there's a bit of smoke coming off of it. Got the bearing, and you should be able to just drop it in. Boom, job done. Now we'll take it outside and let it cool off. No smashing it in with hammers, no damage done to anything. Good job. Well, there you go, nice and easy. Probably ask the wife or the girlfriend or your mom or whoever owns the oven whether you can use it first. But it works really well that way. You're not bashing anything in with a hammer. You don't have a chance of damaging either the casing or the bearing. Just don't burn yourself or set anything on fire. That's it. Check you next time. Ciao, ciao.